Good evening, one and all. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and this time I'm going to be covering the Greek letter pi. What is the Greek letter pi? Well, first of all, let's see how good your memory is. We have a circle here, and the outermost edge of that circle is called the circumference. Okay? So if you were to take the outermost edge of any circle, including a DVD, the outermost edge of this DVD would be a circumference. Okay? Now, the line going through the center of the circle, or any point, between any 2 points on a circle, okay? Any 2 points that connect the circumference right here, okay? If we connect the circumference by 2 points, doesn't matter if it's this way, we can do it this way, we can do it that way, doesn't matter. That line is called a diameter. So if you draw a line from one point on the circumference to another point on the circumference, you have yourself a diameter of the circle, especially if that line passes straight through the center. Remember that a diameter of a circle is a line that is drawn from one point on the circumference to another point on the circumference, and that line must go through the center of the circle, like it has right here. Okay? So, here we have a ratio. The ratio is the circumference over the diameter. So you get the number for the circumference, you get the number for the diameter, you divide the circumference number by the diameter, and you will get the Greek letter pi, and it will always come out 3.14 and so many extra digits. Okay? And these are non-repeating digits, doesn't matter how far out you take it. And they've had supercomputers try it for years. There's no repeating numbers. They even have a theory as to why it cannot be any repeating numbers, so on and so forth. But basically, if you take the circumference of any circle, and you take the diameter of any circle, and you divide the circumference by the diameter, you will get pi. Okay? And that's the Greek letter pi. Now that's the definition of it. How it's used is a little more complicated. And we will show you that, or actually I will show you that in a future video. But at least now you know what the Greek letter pi is and how it works. Alright, I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.